Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, at a very unique spot in the markets where, looking at the SPX, I don't think you need me to tell you that we are in a bullish environment. So to me, there's never anything bearish about new lifetime highs. So I'm looking for spots to continue to trade with the trend, knowing that at any moment you could have a reversion back to the mean. But until then, I just do my best to try and find spots and individual equities to buy. And the three that I wanted to bring you tonight start with Netflix. So Netflix is constructive because it has cleared monthly symmetry. So look at it on the monthly chart. Look at these advances that you have seen previously. And notice how that the current advance found some resistance where you had that same measured move. If you take that monthly measure and then look at it on a daily chart, you see where all of that resistance came into play. But now that we are above it, I believe Netflix is looking for a new lifetime high. At the very least, it should be tradable into 700. And I think that's one to have on your watch list. From there, we've got Qualcomm, which, I think is setting up for a move up into... We'll give Thinkorswim a moment to refresh here. But Qualcomm up into 228, I believe, is the next part to look for. So it's a similar way of thinking, where you get this really exaggerated run, the pullback that holds the 10 EMA, and then on the advance, starts to close above your 618 retracement. Closing above the 618 opens you up to 4 targets, the first of which is the old swing high, then the extensions that follow. So I think that's going to be a nice chart to look at for a couple of weeks ahead. And then finally want to wrap things up with Kava, which is a little outside of the group of the tickers that I typically trade, but it's a similar situation where after getting a little bit of a retracement, your moving averages have held, and I believe that a push into a new high, if not into 99, could be a very tradable move. So I hope you find some piece of that helpful. Gives you a few good things to keep on your watch list in the weeks ahead. Y'all have a great night, and we'll see you at the next video newsletter. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.